Hello, all my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I'm going to cook this whole fish. Now, this fish does not have any guts on the inside. It has been slit in here. There is a slit, and everything has been cleaned out. Okay. Now, the only thing I'm going to put on this fish is some seasoned salt and some garlic salt. Well, garlic powder, seasoned Valerie, because that's the way I want to, that's the seasoning I want on my fish. You don't have to put this seasoning on your fish. You season your fish the way you want to. Sorry for the lighting. It's the best in this kitchen right now. And then I have some fish fryer seasoning. Just pour it on there. Mix it in there. Flip it. Do what you would normally do when you would cook a fish. Someone asked me, "There, how you cook your whole fish?" Same way I cook any fish. God, I didn't have my gloves on there for a minute. Yeah. But this is my fish, and I'm going to eat this fish on my Tasty Sensation channel. So if you're interested in that, please go over there and check it out. And my Tasty Sensations, Tasties from over there, I thank you for coming over here to watch this video. Since you asked me to do it, and just put them down in the grease. That's it. I have some catfish over here that I'm going to cook for Willie. I'm going to go ahead and season that. Catfish nuggies. So I'm going to dump them in here with that meal from that fish. That fish that's frying right now is a tilapia. So you say, well, I don't know, ain't no tilapia look like that, but that's what tilapia look like. It looks like a brim. I call them flatbacks or a bluegill or something like that. Kind of stuff we catch in Alabama, like brims and stuff like that. That's what that looks like. It's actually good on the bone like that. And you can find those at Walmart. On the bone, just like that. Now this is really catfish, all seasoned, ready to go in the grease. Now I have to let that fry for a while because I don't want it wet on the inside. I want my fish cooked thoroughly. Don't want any bacteria or anything like that in the fish. My temperature is up high as it'll go. I'm going to cover the lid so some of that heat can go on top. But I am going to flip it once in a little while. I do have several channels for you that don't know it. I have a bike channel, which is Bones Riders. You can find that in the description box. And I have a Tasty Sensations channel. I have a Tingling Sensations channel, and I also have a cooking channel, Val Cooks. I'm going to put this also on Val Cooks and Valerie Granville TV. So if you're watching this, or if you want to watch this, I'm going to tell you that it's going to be both of those channels. Valerie Granville TV has all of my videos on it except my eating videos. And sometimes when I split them up, like my bike videos, you may see the same video on Valerie Granville TV, or you can go directly to the bike video if you just want to see things about bikes. All of my bike videos are not on Bones Rider because I started the channel later. Because I have over 2,000 videos on Valerie Granville TV, I had to start breaking my videos up into segments. So I got different channels for different videos. Now I'm going to flip this bird here. Well, I call it a bird. Hearing that stuff fried just like chicken. It ain't no bird, honey. It's a fish. Look at that. Look at that. Look out now. Now I'm going to try to flip this. You see how pretty that is? This is how I cook my fish. This is how you do it. This is how Val do it. Since you want to know a requested video. Well, you say, Val, you come on here just to show me how to fry fish? Yeah, child, because somebody asked me to do it. And I'm surprised just like you are. That's how you fry fish. Whole fish. A whole fish. That's how you fry it. And I appreciate y'all want to know how Val do things. Val cooks, y'all. She cooks. Yes, she do. And for if you're watching this video and you don't know what's in this pot, I am making split pea soup. I put some pig feet in here, and I got some split peas. Split peas ain't nothing but this right here, and they are split. And you do have to blend them when you get through cooking them. So if you want to see how I cook this, watch my video called how to cook split pea soup, or just plain old split pea soup. I'll give you a peek. Honey, I need to add a little water to this. It can cook down. Yeah, I gotta put some water in this. These beans ain't nowhere near ready. They gotta cook for another hour. They tell you to cook these peas for 30 minutes. That's what's on the bag. But honey, you stuff that's on the instructions on the product, that's just a guideline. You cook it the way you want to cook. That's why I call this is how you do it. This is how Val do it. And this is how Val do it on all her channels. So if I say this is Val, but this is how she do it, and I'm on my cooking channel, this is how Val do it on her cooking channel. If I say this is how you do it on my eating channel, that's how Val do it on her eating channel. If I'm with Bones Rider and I say this is how you do it, that's a bite of honey, that's how you do it. And especially if I'm on Valerie Granville TV, honey, all of that is how you do it. How I do it. What you say? That sounding good up in there. Let me turn the vent on so I know I'm on camera and a lot of noise going on up in here. But Willie got COPD. I turned this fan on, so y'all just gonna have to deal with that. Yeah. And y'all got a fan over your stove. Don't be acting brand new with your girl like she can't use her fan. Turn your volume down if you don't like it. But if you're an ASMR person and you like good sounds, this is where you need to be. This is exactly where you need to be. Let's see what this look like, y'all. It really don't take fish that long, but because it's a whole fish, I don't want nothing raw in the head, because on my Valerie Granville TV channel, all I'm showing you is me cooking it. But on my Tasty Sensation channel, I got to eat this, and I want all of that up in that head cooked, because I'm gonna eat the head too, y'all, with the eyeballs and all. So you need to go over and check out my eating channel. Don't even crunch on the tail a little bit. That's why the tail's still there. And the fins, I'm going to be sucking on them, y'all. So y'all check it out. If you want to see somebody enjoy their food with some good old tartar sauce, check it out. Because it's tasty, 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 baby. Oh, I'm looking for my tartar sauce now, y'all. I can't do it if it ain't got no tartar sauce. Yes, I can. I like fish anyway. Honey, I can put anything on it, but I like tartar sauce. So give your girl what you like. I like the Kraft tartar sauce, but I ended up getting this off-brand from Walmart. And you know, that great value. I'm not a big fan of this, but since I bought it, I got to eat it. Y'all haven't seen it brown now. I can let it continue to fry without holding y'all up. So this is Val, and Val can cook. And if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want your girl to prosper, share it with somebody. And if it have any commercials anywhere, let the commercials play. That's my fish, y'all. And I see all you beautiful, 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 beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.